Hey guys, my name is Kara. Thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Ohio. And I promise this process is going to be super easy and fast if you just follow along. Click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. That way we can just, go step by step on everything. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube that are really long and complex with all these chapters. I honestly don't know what they're doing because this process is so fast and so easy. I'm telling you, like 5 minutes. So click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. Okay, so we're going to start by clicking Ohio. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. So I'm going to type in my business name. And what stage are you currently in? Just select whatever applies for you at the moment. Now it's asking what industry you fall into. So you may fall into a couple different categories, but just, think of what the main thing is that you do. Like for me, it's eyelash extensions. So I'm going to type in E, and you can see so many options come up. They get really specific too. So you can more than likely find the best one for you. And are you selling either a physical good or a service? So for me, I'm providing a service, but I could also select physical good if I'm doing both. And are you planning to hire employees? Now, let's just say, you don't have employees right now, you file your LLC, and then you decide you want to hire a few. That's totally fine, and it's not going to mess with your filing. You won't have to refile or anything like that. Now you're going to type in your zip code. For me, I'm mobile, so I'm typing in my personal home zip code. But let's just say you have a storefront. You can type in that zip code. Okay, and where are you serving your customers? Either online, at a shop or a store, or on the go. So for me, I'm mobile, I'm on the go. But let's just say I had a website and I'm selling products on there as well. I can select this option here. Now today I want you to click LLC, so it's highlighted in blue, and then also EIN. And the reason I want you to get your EIN number is it's basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it when you open a business credit card or business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need an EIN number. So Tailor Brands, it just makes it easy to kind of get it all in one shot pretty much. If you also want to get like a license or a permit or maybe insurance for something, they offer all these other options here too. So feel free to check these out as well. But for today, we're just going to select these two. And you can just skip this part. It's just asking what we've done already. And you discovered Tailor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and Tailor Brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. Personally, I love this. It's free. Maybe I can learn something that helps me make more money in my business. Amazing, right? Why not? So I'm going to click yes. You can hit no thanks if you don't want it. It's totally up to you. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And I like to use my business email, but you can use your personal as well and create a password. Okay, and again, it's asking you, would you like Tailor Brands to get your EIN number for you, or do you want to handle it yourself? So if you select to handle it yourself, you can do it through the IRS website. The IRS website only allows you to file during the weekdays. So for example, today is Saturday for me. I can't file it now until Monday for whatever reason. I also feel like government websites, in my opinion, are a little difficult to navigate. And it's just one more thing for me to do. So for $99, Tailor Brands will file it for me, and I just feel like that's worth the stress and the headache and take that off my to-do list. Done. So I feel like it's worth it. Okay, and as far as being a registered agent, now, if you live in Ohio and you're filing your LLC in Ohio, you are more than likely your own registered agent. The registered agent is essentially who will receive the mail about your LLC. So I know it sounds like it's something crazy. It's really not. It's basically who's receiving the mail. Now, if you don't live in Ohio, but you're opening an LLC in Ohio, then you will need to appoint someone that lives in the state of Ohio to receive your mail. So for this, we will click this option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you have to pay a late fee, you'll get some fines, which obviously we don't want to pay that extra money, right? For no reason. So if you think you'll forget, Tailor Brands can renew it for you every single year. It's $199. You don't even have to think about it. So if you would, if it's worth it to you to pay that and not stress about it, that option is right there. For me, I'm going to try to save a little bit of money. So I'm going to click this option here. And would you like a brand new toolkit? I'm just going to click no here. And the expedited filing to get your LLC in 2 days is $49. I feel like it's worth it. I want my LLC as soon as possible. But if you're not in a rush, you can wait 2 weeks, not pay that $49. And it's still pretty quick, to be honest. I mean, 2 weeks, 2 days, it's up to you, but I'm going to pay that 2-day fee. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So hit next. Would you like a formation kit? I'm just going to click no for now. And definitely recommend checking this option out. So Tailor Brands offers a service. Let's say, your business is starting to grow really fast, or you're just planning to have a really large business. Tailor Brands offers a service where they can get all of your bookkeeping, your invoices, your finances, everything super organized. So you know where every single cent is going. And you guys, being organized in your business is just as important as running your business, in my opinion. I mean, if you're not organized, it's like you don't even know where any of your money's going or what you're doing, right? So definitely recommend checking it out. They give you a free trial. At the end, they tell you how much it costs. I really honestly don't know, but definitely worth checking out. For me, my business is small right now, so I'm going to manage my own books and invoices until it gets a little bigger, and then I'll switch over to this service. And yes, we'd like to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you can see they offer 3 different plans. These are yearly plans. You could check out all the options they have. But today we only need this light plan. No need to pay anything extra, right? Just for our EIN and LLC. So let's select it. And here's what we're paying for today. So the Ohio state filing fee is $99 for your LLC. And that's regardless of where you file your LLC. It's just a mandated state fee. We're getting our free business coaching program. And then we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. So that will be our total charge for today. After your LLC is filed, then you will be charged the EIN number as a second charge. So LLC is first, then EIN. So don't be surprised if you see that. That's just them filing your EIN for you. Okay, and then we continue to payment. After this, they'll ask you some information like your address, where you want mail sent to. Now, don't get nervous by this. I always put my home address for LLCs, and I really promise you I've never gotten any spam mail, anything like that. That's just where to contact you in case they have questions or need you to fill something out for your LLC. So if you have a storefront, you can put that address, or like I said, I recommend home address is totally fine. But that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC at EIN number, and you can see how fast and easy that was. But if you do have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.